Hello dear friends, it's me Vinod. I am the founder of Indian Talent Show. Today I will teach you how to make a bag, a cloth bag with the help of this tailoring machine, and she is our expert. Today we will teach you how we have made it. You need to get a cloth. Just go to the market and get a cloth and keep this way. Now you have to join this side with the help of this machine, and then we join this with the help of this machine. Then we join this side with the help of machine, and then after this we this will become this way. Okay, we are already joined. Now we have to reverse this bag. Just reverse. I am just sending the hand in it and I am reversing this bag. Okay. Now the bag is ready. We need the hand. This is the hand. This is the hand. And the expert told me we used to strict join this. First we move the machine in the front way, and then we move the machine in the back way. So this will be very strict. You cannot break it. Just I am breaking up. This is a very solid. Okay. So our bag is ready. This bag is very important for removing the polythene pollution, plastic pollution. Just go to your sabji mandi and you have to carry this bag. Okay, so your cost will be very cheap. Just contact with us. We will make the cloth bag for you. Our mobile number is 9356234925. If you like this video, please share and like this video. If you did not subscribe our channel, just subscribe. Our expert in the future will teach you different projects in the tailoring skill, and in your home you will learn everything. Okay, thank you madam. You come here and teach this very important skill to our students. Okay, thank you.